Childcare Gurus!
Hooray! Welcome back on our YouTube channel. If you happen to be new here, I am Rowena and we are doing our daycare space renovation. And we already did our wall on the back. If you want to see how we did it, it will be on the description below. And if you want to see the full video of the daycare space renovation, we will add it on the description below. And in today's video, we will do the basement flooring renovation. We had a carpet before, but now we will change it into a laminate flooring. And we will show you the materials that we use to make our daycare space still comfortable during winter. So without further ado, let's get started.
So first thing to do is to remove the carpet and the underlayment that was installed on the basement floor. Make sure that the area will be nice and clean before you proceed with the installation. So we're going to use this Delta High Performance Air and Moisture Barrier as our underlayment. This one will keep your flooring warm and dry. And underneath this, we use this one. This is a landscape fabric, which is optional. This one will prevent this underlayment from making a squeaky noise. This one is the Delta High Performance Tape that is included on the package of the underlayment. This one will secure the connection between each underlayment. We also use this touch and foam sealant that will be used on the edge of the underlayment. This will ensure that there will be no moist coming out from underneath. On top of the Delta underlayment, I decided to use this Therma Wave Plus, which is an acoustical barrier and insulator underlayment. This is optional. This will add more heat or will keep our basement warmer. So yeah. For this specific project, we just chose the less expensive type of laminate flooring. So it's my choice to pick this type, and it's not expensive and it's still beautiful. We just ensure that we have the proper insulation underneath it to keep our basement flooring warm on the winter time. So that's pretty much it. So the last step is the baseboard installation. This one will ensure that the edges of the laminate flooring will be secured and locked.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. The next step of our daycare space renovation is the construction of our very own indoor play structure. So this will be very exciting, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much again, and don't forget to subscribe. Hooray!